Hi everybody, my name is Josh, that spiritual energy guy. Welcome to Spiritual Energy Wellness. Welcome to today's video. As always, be relaxed, joyful, and inspired. Today's video is going to be about how to use your mind to bring you joy. So how do you use your mind to bring you joy? So what I like to do, and what I suggest you all do, here at Spiritual Energy Wellness, before we do anything, we always like to relax. There's several ways to relax. You have your own method of relaxing, but here at Spiritual Energy Wellness, we always like to relax by just breathing in through our nose, naturally, and breathe out through our mouth, naturally, to just relax ourselves. So, once you relax yourself in however way you like, which here, as I've said, here at Spiritual Energy Wellness, we like to use breath work of breathing in and breathing out to relax. Once you do that, close your eyes and do something that, if you're an adult, we used to do all the time when we were kids, and that's use your imagination. So just close your eyes, and of course relax before you close your eyes, and then just allow your imagination to take you back to a joyful time in your life, or just imagine things that just bring you joy. And once you do that, just close your eyes and just spend a few minutes just allowing your imagination to just flow with all these things that bring you joy. Allow those images to just fill your mind, and relax into those images and relax into the feeling that you get from using your imagination to help you see an event or see something that brings you joy. And once you do that, you will naturally feel joy. It'll take you back to a time when you were a child, if you remember the memory that brought you joy, or if you're just using your imagination to create something in your own world as you're closing your eyes, relaxing, use your imagination. It actually puts you into that place of wherever it is that you're doing or whatever you're doing, into that joyful event. All righty, everybody. As always, here at Spiritual Energy Wellness, be relaxed, joyful, and inspired. Peace, pleasure, and much prosperity to you all.